This beautiful Islamic story is proudly presented by Madani Islamic Academy, a place where children learn the Quran with love and care. Ali, Papa, my friend said that Surah Ikhlas tells everything about Allah. Is that true? Papa, yes, my dear son, that's a very good question. Surah Ikhlas is a very special chapter. Come, let me recite it for you and explain what it means. Papa reciting.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد صدق الله العظيم.
Papa explaining, this surah teaches us that, say you, O beloved, He is Allah, He is one. Allah is the independent. He has no offspring, nor is He born from anyone, and there is no one equal to Him. Wow, I really want to memorize it, Papa. Will you test me? Of course, my son. And when you memorize it, I'll give you a special gift. Thank you for watching. To enjoy more beautiful stories like this and learn Quran and Islamic studies in a fun and engaging way, subscribe, like, and share our YouTube channel. And if you want to recite the Holy Quran with proper Tajweed and gain authentic Islamic knowledge, join Madani Islamic Academy's online classes today. www.MadaniIslamicAcademy.com. Connect with us on WhatsApp, Pakistan, +923 04 284 6421. For international students, +44 7480 67628. Join us and start your journey towards Quranic knowledge and personal growth today. May Allah bless you with peace and success. Ameen.
Allah, 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 Allah.